I don't know. I'm still figuring it out, but I've got to tell you something. I had a dream once upon a time, and it was, you know, well, nigh upon 39 years ago. Yeah, right. Like an old-fashioned dream. Just an old-fashioned love song. No, not even. That's pretty embarrassing. Oh shoot. All right, that's personal. Hold on. Let me get that out. Ugh, sheesh. Okay, there's a thing. All right, okay, that's a thing. Like, all right, that's kind of interesting. That's kind of cool. All right, that's neat. Oh yeah, this looks great. Yeah, this looks great, man. Yeah, here it is. You know, I've wanted this pen for almost 40 years. This is 39 years. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't know. I'm going to just zoom in and hope for the best. Yeah. Yeah. This thing's amazing. It's an amazing thing. Great pen. I've wanted one of these for a long time. Since like 1983. So, you know, whatever year this is that you're watching this, just keep that in mind. You know, I was like, what was it? I was 16? Yeah. And I finally got one. It's not perfect, but it's great. And yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this. Yeah, let me get this out of here. Hold on. Oh boy. Oh boy. You know what? Yeah. This is ridiculous. Hold on. Like, check out this pen. Oops. This is great. Hold on. All right. Here we go. This is this crazy. Oh my God, these two pens together are like ridiculous. Because this is the Aiken Lambert that's all experimental and weird and fascinating and fun. And here's the Waterman's in Blugreen, which I've wanted forever since 1983, okay? And look at these guys. They're so freaking beautiful. They're so pretty. I love them. I love them so much. Oh, God, they're so great. They're just so great. Can I do this? Yeah, baby. I love it. I just love it. Anyway, they're so lovely. So I'll give you a little bit here. Hold on. Hold on. All right. So I'll dip. Yeah, I'll dip. Okay. Right? I'll give you a little bit. A little bit. Oh, you have to see this. Hold on. Right. So this is like, I don't know, 1928, 29, 30, somewhere around there. Like, can you, like, move? Does that actually not move? There you go. Right? And here it is. It's like, it's that one. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. Yeah. I love it. I just love it. I'll give you a little, you know, bit of that. And let's see if we can make something out of this, right? I don't even know what the date is. Is it June 3rd? I don't know. I don't even care. I just, like, I don't. I've wanted this pen for a billion years. I finally have one. Oh my God. I want it so badly and I have it. It's got a couple of issues. It's not perfect. I know. But hold on. What's today's date? Hold on. It's Friday. What is it? The 3rd? Or it is. Okay. It is the 3rd. All right. Fine. Oh. I love this. I love it. I love it. I'll cover it up. I'll be good. This is great. All right. Oh, it's the 3rd, right? I think this is great, right? I mean, this nib is nice. You know, these nibs are fascinating. They're so different, all of them. Every single one. Oh, nice. There it is. Finally. There you go. Did you get that? Oh, this is a great pen, though. Yes, this is a great pen. Yeah, this is great. Again, let me give it a little bit more. Oomph. You know what? I've wanted this pen for, seriously, 39 years. I can't believe it. Oh my god. This is insane. I'm just... You know, this is just... Hello. Hello world. That's all it is. This is hello world. I love this so much. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, what a pen, man. Look at this thing. Oh, this is a great pen. Holy crap. Hello. What a great pen. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, this is amazing. Like, check this out. Just check it out. Watch this. Yeah, I mean, you know, I've wanted one of these pens for, you know, like 39 years. Okay, it's like, it's crazy. It's such a synthwave pen. Like, what? But it is. I mean, I was so into this in the 80s, and I wanted one so badly, but they're hard to find. It's great. You know what? I just need more of these. Every single one. I need all of them. I need to buy every one of these. All right, I'm sorry. Never mind. Bye.